How tall are you? How tall are you? I am 6 feet tall. I am 6 feet tall. What is there for lunch? What is there for lunch? There is rice and fish curry. There is rice and fish curry. What is there for dinner? What is there for dinner? Chicken curry and bread. Chicken curry and bread. There is roti and egg curry. There is roti and egg curry. What shall we do this evening? What shall we do this evening? Let's go to see a movie. Let's go to see a movie. Let's go for a walk somewhere. Let's go for a walk somewhere. Would you like to go now? Would you like to go now? No, let's wait a while. No, let's wait a while. Today is a good day to go to town, isn't it? Today is a good day to go to town, isn't it? Yes, it really is. Yes, it really is. Which dress do you prefer? Which dress do you prefer? I like red clothes. I like red clothes. I would like to buy this blue one. I would like to buy this blue one. Is that a picture of me? Is that a picture of me? Yes, this is your picture. Yes, this is your picture. Can you mail these for me? Can you mail these for me? Yes, of course I can. Yes, of course I can. Have you been to Canada? Have you been to Canada? No, I haven't. No, I haven't. Have you been to India before? Have you been to India before? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. What's your profession? What's your profession? I am a doctor. I am a doctor. Do you like winter? Do you like winter? Yeah, it's my favorite season. Yeah, it's my favorite season. How high is that mountain? How high is that mountain? I don't know exactly. I don't know exactly. Are you ready for the trip? Are you ready for the trip? No, I need a little more time. No, I need a little more time. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? No, only 1 mile from here. No, only 1 mile from here. Do you smoke? Do you smoke? I used to smoke. I used to smoke. Where to go? Where to go? You have to go to school. You have to go to school. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Yes, everything is fine. Yes, everything is fine. Whom are you looking for? Whom are you looking for? I am looking for John. I am looking for John. When will they arrive? When will they arrive? They will arrive at night. They will arrive at night. Where can I get a taxi? Where can I get a taxi? You get it near the market. You get it near the market. When did you buy it? When did you buy it? I bought it yesterday. I bought it yesterday. Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. How to go? How to go? Go by bus. Go by bus. What brings you here? What brings you here? I have some work to do here. I have some work to do here. Do you like black cats? Do you like black cats? No, I don't like it at all. No, I don't like it at all. Do you like snow? Do you like snow? Yes, I like it very much. Yes, I like it very much. Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? Did you like the movie? Did you like the movie? What are you doing? What are you doing? When did you come? When did you come? What about? What about? When to laugh? When to laugh? Why so? Why so? Did he propose to you? Did he propose to you? What's the matter? What's the matter? Could you tell me the way? Could you tell me the way? Has he arrived already? Has he arrived already? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? What do you do? What do you do? Do you know? Do you know? How to start? How to start? Why them? Why them? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? When to sleep? When to sleep? What do you mean? What do you mean? Why did she do that? Why did she do that? Do you know how to drive? Do you know how to drive? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.